Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Smartsheet data. If you've accidentally deleted important sheets or items in Smartsheet, don't worry. The platform has a built-in recovery system that makes it easy to restore them. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where the deleted data was originally stored, as you'll only be able to recover items from your own workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation panel with various options for managing your sheets and workspaces. Look for the option labeled Browse and click on it. This will open up a menu showing different views of your Smartsheet content. From the Browse menu, you'll see several categories. What you're looking for here is deleted items. Click on this option to proceed. This is essentially your recycle bin for Smartsheet. It's where all your recently deleted sheets, reports, and other items are temporarily stored before being permanently removed from the system. It's worth noting that items don't stay in this folder forever, so it's best to recover them as soon as you realize they've been deleted. Once you're in the deleted items section, you'll see a list of everything that's been removed from your workspace. Browse through this list carefully to locate the specific data or sheet you want to restore. When you find it, you'll notice there's a small checkbox beside each item. Simply click the box next to the data you wish to recover. If you need to restore multiple items at once, you can select several checkboxes, making the recovery process more efficient. Now that you've selected the item or items you want to restore, look towards the top of the screen for the Actions button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your deleted items. From this menu, select Undelete. This action will immediately restore your selected data back to its original location in your Smartsheet workspace. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Smartsheet data. The restored items should now appear back in their original folders or workspaces, ready for you to continue working with them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.